10 Steps to Build Wealth, even on a low income, on-screen text. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Many people think you need a six-figure salary to build wealth, but that's not true. Even if you're earning a modest income, there are proven strategies that can help you save, invest, and create long-term financial stability. In today's video, we'll share 10 actionable steps to build wealth, even if you're starting with a low income. These are practical strategies that anyone can use to grow their money over time. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. It's a mindset shift that will change how you view your financial journey. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Wealth building starts with a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Whether it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or retiring comfortably, having specific financial goals keeps you motivated and focused. A clear goal turns your income into a tool for success. Actionable tips. Write down one short-term goal like saving $500, one mid-term goal such as paying off a credit card, and one long-term goal like saving for retirement. Break each goal into smaller, actionable steps. Set deadlines to hold yourself accountable and track your progress. Step 2. Track every dollar you earn and spend. On a low income, every dollar counts. Tracking your money helps you see exactly where it's going, identify unnecessary expenses, and redirect money towards savings and investments. Awareness is the first step to control. Actionable tips. Use a budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. Categorize expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Review your spending weekly to identify areas for improvement. Step 3. Build a budget that prioritizes savings. A budget helps you allocate your money wisely, ensuring you're saving and investing even with a limited income. Start small. Saving just 10% of your income can make a difference over time. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. Actionable tips. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guide. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Adjust your budget to prioritize saving at least a small percentage of your income. Automate your savings to make it a consistent habit. Step 4. Build a starter emergency fund. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills without relying on debt. Start small and build it gradually. It doesn't have to be fully funded overnight. Even $500 can make a huge difference. Actionable tips. Open a high-yield savings account specifically for emergencies. Set an initial goal of saving $500 to $1,000. Automate small contributions to this account each payday. Step 5. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can drain your income and make it harder to save. Paying off this type of debt should be a top priority, freeing up money for wealth-building activities. Debt freedom is a critical step toward financial stability. Actionable tips. List your debts, their balances, and interest rates. Use the avalanche method, highest interest first, or snowball method, smallest balance first, to pay them off. Avoid new debt by using cash or debit cards for purchases. Step 6. Look for ways to increase your income. If your income is low, finding ways to earn more can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey. This could mean picking up a side hustle, freelancing, or pursuing opportunities for raises or promotions at work. Extra income creates extra opportunities. Actionable tips. Identify skills you can monetize like writing, graphic design, or tutoring. Take free or low-cost online courses to improve your qualifications for higher-paying jobs. Allocate any extra income directly towards savings or debt repayment. Step 7. Start investing with small amounts. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Thanks to fractional shares and no minimum accounts, you can begin growing your wealth with as little as $10. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Investing is how your money works for you. Actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or retirement account like a Roth IRA. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs to maximize growth with minimal fees. Set up recurring contributions even if it's just $20 a month to build consistency. Step 8. Take advantage of free money. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full benefit. It's essentially free money for your retirement. Similarly, look for tax credits, government programs, or other opportunities that can boost your savings. Free money is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Actionable tips. Contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match, if available. Research tax credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, to see if you qualify. Use cashback apps or rewards programs to save on everyday purchases. Step 9. Surround yourself with supportive people. Building wealth is easier when you're surrounded by people who share your values and support your goals. Avoid negative influences that encourage overspending or poor financial habits, and instead seek out mentors or communities that inspire you. Your environment matters more than you think. Actionable tips. Join personal finance groups or forums to connect with like-minded individuals. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and accountability. Limit time with people who discourage your goals or promote unhealthy spending habits. Step 10. Commit to lifelong learning. The wealthy never stop learning about money, and neither should you. Improving your financial literacy empowers you to make smarter decisions and seize opportunities as they arise. Knowledge is the most valuable investment you can make. Actionable tips. Read one personal finance book per month, like The Millionaire Next Door or The Simple Path to Wealth. Follow trusted finance blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels like Your Finance Lab. Experiment with small investments or financial strategies to gain hands-on experience. Bonus tip. Focus on consistency over perfection. You don't need to be perfect to build wealth, you just need to be consistent. Small, steady steps will always beat sporadic bursts of effort. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate every win along the way. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Actionable tips. Create a routine for managing your finances, like reviewing your budget weekly. Celebrate small milestones, like saving your first $1,000. Celebrate paying off a debt. Remind yourself that every small step adds up over time. Building wealth on a low income is challenging, but it's absolutely possible with the right mindset and strategies. By following these 10 steps, you can take control of your money, grow your savings, and create a brighter financial future. Which step will you start with today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from Your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.